Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Lasse Staaf. I have the honor and the privilege to act as the moderator and, let's say, the master of ceremony during the Seas of Wellness Cooperation Baltic Sea seminar here in Tallinn, Estonia. Estonia has a huge amount of history, culture on the background. 21st December 1918, the National Library was established by the decision of the provisional government at that time, and then this building where we are right now was constructed 1985 until 1993, and now we are in the National Library of Estonia. Ladies and gentlemen, Captain Steppe.
Admiral, honorable guests, officers, ladies and gentlemen, dear friends, it's a great pleasure to host you today on the occasion of the second SUKPAS seminar. I am particularly happy to host the seminar this year in Tallinn, because for this year is proclaimed the Year of the Baltic Sea.
SUKPAS members, 8 countries, have been working hard. Representatives from 8 countries have been working hard to make it happen. Why do we actually need to talk about surveillance and cooperation in the same word as the SUKPAS stands for? In my opinion, the reasons to that are quite simple. Actually, there are several reasons to that. Mentioning a few of them. Globalization, shrinking resources available, and the growing need of information and information sharing.
The next speaker, I really have a great honor and a privilege. I'm not going to say before where does he come from or what's his name, but anyway. So he wrote a New York Times bestseller, The Pirates of Somalia, which has been published around the world.
So in Somalia specifically, piracy has really declined in recent days, mainly due to the use of armed security guards on the decks of vessels going through the dangerous areas. But what you see is in different areas of the world, it has increased, and so it's almost like when it goes down in one place, it pops up in another. And one of these places, for instance, Western Africa, off the coast of Nigeria, you see attacks that I think are very almost inspired by Somali pirates. So you've seen a few attacks off the coast of West Africa that resemble very much attacks by Somali pirates. Off the coast of Brazil is another hotspot. So one of the lessons from Somalia is that you can look at these areas that are very poorly governed or not under control of the government and see those as potential areas for piracy, especially when you have large, high volume, very valuable shipping going through those areas. I think the future of multilateral security is obviously the way things are going. I mean, the European Union has been trying to make a common European defense policy for a long time. It's very difficult because the last thing that countries want to yield to a larger organization is their defense.
Toimus SUKPAS seminar ja teemad siis, mida käsitleti, on niisugused laiemalt mereturvalisust käsitlevad teemad. Küll aga käsitleti ka palju muud. Näiteks oli meil külalisi, kes rääkisid Greenpeace'ist, oli inimesi, kes rääkisid piraatlusest, oli inimesi, kes rääkisid terrorismist. Tegelikult see teemade ring oli väga lai, mitte ainult keskendunud mereturvalisusest. Tegelikult teemade või seminaride eesmärk on siis tutvustada ja rääkida laiendatult mereturvalisuse vajalikkusest ja seda siis läbi erinevate vaatevinklite, sealhulgas looduskaitse, mereliiklus, mereseire ja nii edasi. Oluline ja tarvis on teda selleks, nii nagu ma alguses ütlesin oma lühikeses sõnavõtus, et kõik ei jõua teha kõike. Ja eriti seda selles keskkonnas, kus meie inimeste hulk ja eelarve suurus on kõikidel riikidel piiratud, seega on mõistlik kogutud informatsiooni jagada ja mitte dubleerida teineteise tööd.
Thank you for you being here. I wish all the best to Lithuania, and they are slightly bigger maybe, they are about 700, so it should be even better next year.